Welcome back to 876 Jamaican Topic. This is Shan. In this update, we have 50 and 70-year-old woman bringing forth the food of life. Also in this update, go-go dancer stabbed for refusing sexual pleasure. 50-year-old woman had her first child at 50-year-old and the father was 61. And also a Ugandan woman had twins at 70-year-old. Viewers and subscribers, imagine dodging every ball the man fling at you, and you just would know you reach 50, you reach in a menopause stage, and you say, all right, it is hard for me to get pregnant at this age, or impossible. And then you go to your bed and wake up one morning, you have morning sickness. When you check it, it's a positive pregnancy test. But it's not too late for a shower of rain or a blessing. Congratulations to those mothers. Also in this update, a topless dancer was stabbed for refusing sexual pleasures. The Jamaican Star posted this article. A topless dancer is counting her blessing and hoping that one day she can leave the job behind after she was stabbed and her throat was cut because she refused a man's sexual advances. Thinkall also reposted this article with an attached message from one of the topless dancers, and it states, "This happened to one of my co-workers. Men should know not all of us as topless dancers or strippers sells our bodies. If we say no, it's no, cause some of us only dance to send ourselves to school while taking care of our kids and trying to survive. Some of us dance to make better for ourselves and try to save to start our businesses." So with this dance at topless is clearly stating that not all her co-workers are strippers. Not all of them sell their front. Some of them just look at it as a job to get by. So they just go to work, they dance, and that's it. They look at it as a way to get by, to pay their bills, take care of themselves and their kids, to go to even school. Some of them just do that. They don't do the extra. Swift recovery to the topless dancer that was stabbed, and for the rest of our co-workers, I really hope that they are safe while working. And for other strippers out there, please be careful. Viewers and subscribers, leave a like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and tell me what your thoughts down below in the comment section. See you in the next video.